What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a short install video for the reverse lockout adapters. These are going to be fitting on vehicles that have the oversized reverse lockout, such as the Mustangs and GR Corollas, for example. So they're a super easy install, doesn't take any tools, so let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the OEM shift knob, which we already did. Then you just simply thread on the reverse lockout adapter. And I'll thread it all the way down and check functionality of the reverse lockout, which ours still works with it all the way down, so we'll leave it there. And then the next thing is to simply thread on your Billetworkz shift knob. The insert should already come inserted, but for some reason, if it did not, you would go ahead and insert the adapter at this point. So we have that inserted. We're just going to simply thread on the shift knob onto the shifter. And once it bottoms out, I'll just actually crack it like a 1/60th of a turn, just the slightest amount. This is also the point where you would adjust the engraving. So if you have one, make sure it's straight. Hold the shift knob straight and still. And you're going to take the reverse lockout adapter and tighten it up to the shift knob while holding the shift knob tight. And the reverse lockout adapter will act as your jam nut, preventing the knob from spinning or moving. And that completes the install. Confirm everything still works, and you're done. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy, but if you still do have any other questions, reach out to us at info@billetworkz.com. And remember to shop billetworkz.com for other parts and accessories for your vehicle. Thanks. We'll see you next time.